there are many pictures there. I will tell to please show those pictures. These are the pictures we had done. My helper is Dijen Das, Smita Maiti, Deepa Das, Kurunabor. So you can try it in your home, and if you like these videos, then please subscribe the channel. First, we took a white paper and pasted in the tube, and then we took this glass and we to get the print, we give the glass to the paper, and then we gave many colors here and took another paper and we spread it here, and then we used the roller like this, and the print came. In this way we did many of the printouts of this glass. It is called the glass painting. So I will tell thank you to all the people who helped me, and I will say thank you to Alok Kumar Paul to help us and giving all his time to make these printouts. Thank you.